Hello viewers, I am Anbariva. Today we discuss about keyboard shortcut keys Ctrl plus A to Z. Don't skip the video, watch fully. Still if not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update. First, Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A is used for selecting the content. Generally, we select the content, we will scroll the mouse and select. For that, click Ctrl plus A, it will be select automatically. Next, Ctrl plus B, it will used for select the content as bold. Generally we select the text and click in font bold, it will be bold. For that, click Ctrl plus bold, it will be bold automatically. Next, Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is used for copying the document. For copy, generally we will select the text and click the mouse right button and select copy. For that, we will select the document and click Ctrl plus C. Next, Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D is used for font windows. Generally, we select the text and click the mouse right button. The font will be appear. Now, you can select the text and click Ctrl plus D. Font window will be open automatically. Next, Ctrl plus E. Ctrl plus E is used for center alignment. Generally, we select the text in paragraph, we select the center. For easy way, select the text and click Ctrl plus E, it will be center automatically. Next, Ctrl plus F. Ctrl plus S is used for finding the any text. For that, generally we will search, click find in editing. You can click Ctrl plus F, it will be find will be show automatically. Next, Ctrl plus I, it is italic format. For italic format, we select the text in font, we click the italics. For that, for shortcut, select the text, click Ctrl plus I. Next, Ctrl plus J. Ctrl plus J is a justification. Select the paragraph. In paragraph, you can give the justification. No need to go to the paragraph. For shortcut, select the paragraph and click Ctrl plus J. It will be justify automatically. Next, Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K is used for hyperlink. Select the text and click mouse right button. The link will be shows. Then a link window as open. For shortcut, click Ctrl plus K. Link window is open automatically. Next, Ctrl plus L. Ctrl plus L is used for left alignment. For left alignment, we will select the text or paragraph. Then we will go to the paragraph and select left alignment. For shortcut, we will select the text or form paragraph and click Ctrl plus L. It will be aligned left alignment automatically. Next, Ctrl plus M. Ctrl plus M is used for paragraph alignment. We can adjust the paragraph by using Ctrl M. Generally, we use the tab for moving the paragraph. For control, we click the Ctrl plus M, it will move the paragraph automatically. Next, Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N is used for open a new document. Generally, we will go to the file, then we will click the new document. You click Ctrl plus N, new file will be open automatically. Next, Ctrl plus O. Ctrl plus O is used for open a new document. Generally, we will go to the file and click the open toolbar. Then we will select the file for open. For that, click Ctrl plus O, then file will be open automatically. Next, Ctrl plus P. Ctrl plus P is used for taking printout. Generally, we will go to the file and click print, then the print preview will be show. For that, shortcut, select Ctrl plus P, print preview will be show and we can take printout automatically. Then Ctrl plus R. Ctrl plus R is a right alignment. Generally, we select the paragraph and go to the paragraph and we will select the right alignment. For that, we select the paragraph and click Ctrl plus R. The right alignment will be updated automatically. Next, Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S is a saving the document automatically. For that, generally we will save the file from file, then select the save. For that, select Ctrl plus S. The save window will be open directly. Next, Ctrl plus T. Ctrl plus T is used for hanging the paragraph. We can move the paragraph from second line. Generally, we use the tab for moving the paragraph. Here we can select Ctrl plus T. It will be moved automatically. Next, Ctrl plus U. Ctrl plus U is used for underline the text or paragraph. Generally, we select the text or paragraph and we go to the font and click the U underline. For that, we can select the text, then click Ctrl plus U, the underline will be generated. Next, Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V is used for pasting the document. Generally, we will copy the text or paragraph and click right side button of mouse, then paste the content. For pasting, click Ctrl plus V, it will be pasted automatically. Next, Ctrl plus W. Ctrl plus W is used for close the document. We will close the document automatically. Select Ctrl plus W, then it will shows the window. It will close before you can save or don't save. Next, Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X used for cut the text or paragraph. Generally, we will select the text or paragraph, then we will click the mouse right side button. We will cut the text or paragraph. For that, we will select the text or paragraph, click Ctrl X, it will be cut automatically. We will move or paste somewhere the text or paragraph. Next, Ctrl plus Y. Ctrl plus Y you can use for redo the document. Click Ctrl plus Y, it will shows the redo the document. Next, Ctrl plus Z, it will be undo the document or text. Now Ctrl plus Z, it will be undo the previous text. If you need any other shortcuts in keyboard, text in comment box. If you like this video, subscribe and like and share to your friends. Thank you.